If some of your customers are applying the discount coupons you have given them to many items, it may no longer be profitable for your business. Therefore, you have to make a quick change, or you'll lose your money. The problem is that if you have to edit hundreds of coupons, you will lose a lot of time if you start editing them one by one in WooCommerce. So, in this video, we'll use the WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin to show you how to limit the amount of products on which coupons can be applied. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before limiting the number of products on which coupons can be applied, let's see how to filter coupons using the search tool. With this tool, you can search for your coupons by keyword, or using any field in the advanced filters. In this case, we'll filter all our coupons by the keyword day, so we'll enter the keyword here and we'll run the search. After we have filtered the coupons to edit, we have two options to edit the coupon quantity restrictions. The first option is by going directly to the Limit Usage to X Items field and enter the new amount as if you were working in Excel or Google Sheets. To save the changes, just hit the Save button and all the changes will be made. This is a great option if you want to add a different coupon quantity restriction to each coupon. The other way in which you can edit the coupon quantity restriction is in bulk. This is the best option if you want to add the same item limit to all coupons in your current search. To do so, let's open the Bulk Edit tool. Then, select this option to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field Limit Usage to X Items. Select to set the value. In this field, enter the quantity restriction you want for all the selected coupons. And execute. As you can see, all your coupons item limits have been edited. Applying this and many other changes is a piece of cake with the WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.